Hey shining stars, welcome back to the channel. My name is Somto. Just in case you're coming across me for the first time, hey boo, how are you doing? It's so lovely that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? I promise you on this channel I have a lot of fun, beautiful, gorgeous, unique, interesting, intriguing, most unique, most adorable short haircuts and hairstyles for my black queens and a lot of other fun stuff. I have transition, I have beauty, and I have fashion. So whatever you are interested in, be sure that this is the place for you to be. Okay, this is the place for you to be. So please do consider subscribing to join this amazing family. Okay, do not forget to stick around to the end. Okay, you are going to love what you see. Stars, it's been a minute, my OGs. How are you guys doing? You guys. So in today's video, I bring to you the most beautiful, the most trendiest. Those ones are the newest, beautiful, unique short haircuts and hairstyles for my black queens. These ones are the real recipe to youthful looking. Yes. Because my mature black queens, they were they'll be slaying in these short hairstyles and haircut. Trust me, these ones are popping. I love how mature they are, especially these videos, and they are so matured. Like, look at the feet, the color, the curls. OMG, these my gorgeous black queens are the most beautiful, and I love that they're an inspiration to us, that they're choosing to inspire us, to grace us, to make us understand that beauty has no age limit or standard. Whatever your age is, you go girl, you do you girl. Okay, you do that which makes you happy. And this my gorgeous black queens are proof that my older black queens, that my black queen can slay on a budget. These haircuts are so low maintenance. They're so low maintenance, like you can maintain them so easily. You have nothing to worry about. Okay, so I am telling you that this is your sign to grab those scissors. Okay. If you have been thinking about it but you haven't made up your mind, this video is your sign to grab those scissors and say yes. Okay, do it girl, do it, because trust me, at the end of the day you are going to end up looking absolutely stunning, like absolutely gorgeous, and you are going to love it. So let me just stop talking too much. I will leave you to enjoy watching this video. But please do not forget, if you haven't, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That will really mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate it. Okay, and please do give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, if this is what you came here for. All right, please do let me know which of these short haircuts and hairstyles was your favorite in the comment section, or is your favorite in the comment sections. I'll do well to reply to each and every one of your comments. And please sirs, do let me know where you are watching this video from, so that I can send you a massive visual hug in my next one. I love you guys so much, and bye loves. Mwah.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's